You can download the printable Keroppi coloring page from the link in the description. If your paper and pencils are ready, let's move on to the step-by-step drawing tutorial. Step 1. Draw Keroppi's large eyes. 2 circles with a smaller shaded circle inside each. Step 2. Outline the head with a long, curved line below the eyes. Add a V-shaped smile at the bottom. Step 3. Draw a circle on each side of the face for blushing cheeks. Extend a curved line downward to start the torso. Step 4. Complete the torso with 2 curved lines forming a rounded rectangle. Start one arm with a curved line from the head. Step 5. Enclose the hand with a wavy line connecting the arm to the torso. Start the other arm with a curved line on the opposite side. Step 6. Enclose the second hand with a wavy line back to the head. Draw a zigzag line below the torso for 1 foot. Step 7. Draw the other foot with curved lines meeting at points to form a tulip shape. Erase overlapping lines as needed. Step 8. Add a bow tie on the chest using curved lines to create an hourglass shape. Step 9. Draw vertical curved lines across the shirt for detail.